Japan scrambles fighter jets as China and Russia conduct joint patrol near its borders. Japan raised alarm on Tuesday after its defense ministry confirmed that Chinese and Russian military aircraft carried out coordinated patrol missions around Japanese territory, a move Tokyo views as a direct show of force. According to Japan's defense ministry, two Russian Tu-95 strategic bombers flew from the Sea of Japan toward the East China Sea, where they met two Chinese H-6 bombers. Together, the aircraft carried out a long-distance joint patrol over the Pacific. Shortly after the bombers linked up, four Chinese J-16 fighter jets joined the formation for a round-trip flight between Okinawa and Miyako Islands, an area that lies within international airspace but is highly sensitive due to rising regional tensions. Japan also detected separate Russian activity, one A-50 early warning aircraft and two Su-30 jets operating simultaneously over the Sea of Japan. Japan's Defense Minister Shinjiro Koizumi said on X that the coordinated flights were clearly intended as a show of force against Japan and warned that such actions pose a significant national security concern. He added that Japan's fighter jets responded immediately and followed all air defense protocols. Russian media later reported that the joint China-Russia mission lasted nearly 8 hours. Meanwhile, South Korea confirmed that 7 Russian and 2 Chinese aircraft briefly entered its air defense identification zone on the same day, heightening concerns across the region. These developments come after Tokyo accused Chinese carrier-based fighter jets of aiming radar at Japanese aircraft just a day earlier, a claim Beijing denies. China's increasing military activity near Japan follows Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi's recent warning that Japan may respond if China takes military action against Taiwan that threatens Japan's security. China and Russia have been steadily expanding their military cooperation, carrying out joint missile drills, naval exercises, and air patrols across the region, signaling a growing strategic partnership.